Apparently these were a thing when I was a kid that I didn't know about, so I wanted to try them when I found them at my local Walmart. I think it was like under $3 for the bag. Crunch chili cheese nacho. I didn't see any other flavors. I'm not a big fan of chili cheese. Kind of reminds me of Fritos chili cheese. Anyway, there's your nutrition stats. Six ounces. Okay. Well, they smell good. They kind of look like bugles from here. But they smell like nacho cheese Doritos. Oh, those are cute. They look like closed up bugles. They are crunchy. They don't have the 100% bugly taste. I think bugles are thicker. These are kind of thin. I can taste the chili sitting on my tongue. They're good. I'm not a big fan of the chili cheese. I think these would be better without the chili. The thing is, at that same Walmart, they've got bugles in a much, much bigger bag. I don't know how many ounces, but it's like maybe 3 or 4 times bigger for like under $3. So if you're just looking for a cheap snack, that might be the way to go. Yeah. I'd like to try these in like their ranch flavors and stuff. They don't taste like the Doritos chips. Kinda. No. I'm going to say they don't. The texture is like the bugles. I mean, I can see these as being snack items. They definitely crunch. That's with my mouth closed. I don't know if you can hear that because it's like really loud in my head. We'll do one with my mouth open. Well, they're okay. I'm just not a big fan of chili cheese. I can taste the nacho. There's a little bit of heat, but I'm a weak person, so I'm not ketchup as spicy heat, I'm not ketchup as spicy weak, but there is a lingering burn all through my mouth, on the roof, and the tongue. Not in my throat, though.